Stop, don't do it.
Hey everybody, it's Brian here with my friend Blake.
What the heck?
He's never been on YouTube before. Wait, actually he might have.
No, I've never been on YouTube.
No, I think I did a couple videos with you.
No.
Come on. Oh, look at Blake, he's so fabulous. Oh God, don't punch the viewers like that. Sorry, are you okay? All right, come on. As you can see, my hands are dirty. And I'll show you the reason why. Yes, this is another restoration video. I just finished the saw, so I will show you that after. I'm working on a wrench. Got surprised by my mom after school today. Got some more vinegar. So yeah, I got. Oh yeah, you remember this place? Yeah, I know Blake doesn't. This is where I egged my own house.
You threw eggs at your house?
Yeah, I threw an egg at this because I accidentally said the derusting station, Ron. And then I said one second guys, I need to explain this to him. So basically if you say the derusting station, like plain, like normal, I egg your house.
Okay, this is just creepy.
Exactly. So yeah, there's an eggshell. There's a part of an eggshell. I think it was a stain somewhere. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is the staining station over here. Staining station, spray painting station. I tested out the saw and the milk jug, and that's the derusting station. So don't say it wrong unless I will actually bring an egg to your house and throw it at the door. Get close up in and on that ear.
Okay, can we just get to the video?
I'm not showing you this unless you're gonna go murder me in my sleep.
Show me what?
Exactly. I don't think you noticed. Alright, come on. So, there's nothing really else to show you. Oh yeah, the saw, come on. Let's go do the saw.
Keep it on me.
Oh God, I can floss better than you. Look at those hips. Come on. My cat. The saw is finished. Cut, 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 cut. Wait, stay like that. Exactly. And then the screwdriver, I don't know if I made a video on that. Oh, I got it. Yeah, he did that perfect. And, wait, no, not yet. Oh my God, he did that perfect. All right, now. Almost. Almost. Wait, you didn't. All right, so that's all for this episode. And like 4 minutes after this, we're gonna do a Nerf War video. Isn't that right?
Yeah!
So I'm probably gonna have to show all the funny parts to him in this video. See ya.